everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I'm Isha and pagpasensyahan nyo na yung hair ko kasi kaliligo ko lang and hindi ako nagsusuklay na ng hair. After maligo, hinahayaan ko na siyang matuyo just because mas nagiging frizzy siya pag sinusuklay ko habang basa. But anyway, kaya ako nag-film ngayon because I'll be doing a parang get ready with me when it comes to my Zoom meetings kasi for today, I'll be handling our branch huddle. Ang ingay, sorry, ng mga notification. But gusto ko lang kayo isama on how I do my parang Zoom meeting makeup look. And kung ano yung mga gamit kong products, then please keep on watching. So, kailangan nila makita yung mukha ko since I'll be handling the Zoom meeting nga. And syempre, dapat maayos yung face natin at hindi yung parang ganito lang na bagong ligo or bagong gising yung itsura. So, I'll be putting on a little bit of makeup and hindi na ako nagpa-primer, of course, kasi hindi naman kailangan tumagal yung makeup. Basta matakpan lang yung under eye area ko na sobrang dark. Kaya ang ginagamit ko is actually either of these two just because meron silang UVA and UVB na it would protect my skin from the radiation na nanggagaling sa laptop since matagal akong tututok sa laptop. But for this one, medyo mas maputi kasi siya on my skin tone so hindi ganun kaganda yung itsura niya. Mukha akong white lady in a way because of this. And hindi ko alam na hindi ba siya ganun ka-compatible on my skin kasi medyo humahati to sa mukha ko. But what I love using, kahit nung hindi pa nag-zoom, hindi pa uso yung ECQ, hindi pa uso yung social distancing, wala pang pandemic, I always use this one, the BLK Skin Tint Sun Shield, and it would protect my skin pa from the radiation nga of the laptop or cellphone or lahat ng screen na ginagamit ko. Kasi nga, parang minimum of 2 hours ako na nakafocus lang sa laptop. Kaya kailangan ingatan natin yung skin. Eh, hindi ako nagsa-sunscreen. So, sa makeup ko na lang kukunin yan. And this has SPF 30 and I'm in the shade of Chestnut. Actually, this is my favorite. Ito yung parang matte finish. Meron kasi yung bago na parang dewy. I like this more kasi ayoko ng dewy yung face. And what I do is I just get ganyan lang kakonti kasi I won't put it all over my face. But I'll be focusing it on the dito nga para takpan yung eye bags. So right here. My gosh, wala akong salamin. Ayan. Dito sa nose. Dito sa anong to, sa face. Sobrang konti lang kasi nga baka lumabas ulit ako mamaya. At itong product na to actually is nagta-transfer sa mask. So I don't like to put a lot. Pero pag nasa Zoom lang, ayoko talaga ng sobrang dami kasi hindi naman mahalata eh. Even my broken capillaries right here, hindi naman siya mapapansin kapag sa webcam lang, di ba? Then, I'll be blending it out with my dirty sponge. Please don't mind that. Hindi ko pa siya nalilinisan. Pero ginamit ko lang naman to yesterday. At ang ingay ng mga notifications. Diba? Nag-brighten up na yung face ko. At syempre, mas gusto mong kausap sa mga meetings mo ay yung mukhang buhay yung face. Mukhang fresh. So, yun yung i-achieve natin. And takpan yung mga redness sa face which I have on my chin area. So, there. Ayan na yung ating base makeup. Okay na mukha ng buhay, fresh, and whatsoever. And I won't be putting on, concealer. Kasi hindi naman siya kitang-kita at ayoko nang masyadong brighten up dyan. So, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a powder just to bake a little bit. Tapos, ewan ko bakit ito pa rin yung ginagamit ko itong bake. As in, simula na binili ko siya, pangalawa na to. Ito lang ginagamit ko lagi for baking my under area. So, konting-konti lang there. Diyan lang. And then, I recently got this Colourette New Normal Kit Zoom Party. So, it has 3 products. So, meron siyang Velvetint. This one is in the shade of Bubbly. And then, meron ding Colourtint in the shade of Ocean. And last but not the least, we have here the Browfessional in the shade of Espresso. And ito yung una natin gagamitin on our face or on my kilay. I don't usually fill in my kilay na pag nasa Zoom meeting ako. Pero gusto kong itry ito. Kasi marami na akong narinig na good reviews about this. And ayun yung itsura niya. So, from Colourette, Browfessional in the shade of Espresso, if it will focus. Una kong gagawin is just to brush up the kilay, put them into place, dip, little bit. Oh, wow. And another trick pala, para hindi matuyo agad, pag nilagay mo siya sa table, dapat nakabaliktad. para walang air na pumapasok compared to ganyan na maraming air na papasok. So, nakabalik tayo. Tapos, hindi na ako marunong magkilay. Kasi nga, puro brow soap na lang ginagamit ko. May kilay. But I'll try my best na maging maayos itong aking eyebrows. So, yan na yung kilay natin. In fairness it's very smooth to apply. Sana lang hindi to mag-move around. Hindi ko kasi sure if it will stay or ganyan. Pero, lilinisin ko na lang yung ilalim with concealer later. Pero so far, I like it. Akala ko sobrang dark niya, but it's not. So, tapusin lang natin tong kabilang side. One stroke lang na-fill in niya na yung dulo. Nice. Pantay ba? Parang hindi. Parang ito may tusok, ito wala. Hindi talaga pati yung kilay ko. And I'm going to linis na lang. Hindi ko talaga ginagawa normally, pero kailangan nating ayusin. Kasi magulo siya ngayon. Dahil hindi na nga ako sanay magkilay. Okay na? Okay na ako sa kilay, I think. Okay na yan. Hindi man ganun kalahata na hindi pantay, di ba? And then I'm going to get the Colourtint in the shade of Ocean, and I'm going to put it on my eyelids and my cheeks. So shake up me real good. Shake. There. Ang bilis lang, diba? Na-blend na siya agad. Kasi lalo na pag nagmamadali ako, pag kailangan matapos for my Zoom meetings, yun lang. Sobrang bilis. Ibang shade yung ginagamit ko usually, pero tinatry ko nga ito ngayon. So, mamaya ko natatapusin yung eyes. I'm going to put this naman on my cheeks as a blush. Not a lot. Natuto na ako. Huwag masyadong marami ilagay. So, parang drunk blush. There. Ayan. Mukha na tayong fresh and may color na. Hindi katulad kanina na parang sobrang dull, sobrang pale, kahit morena tayo. And then, para matapos itong kit na to, unahin ko muna maglagay ng lipstick. We have here the Velvetint in the shade of Bubbly. So, ayan. Parang ang tingkad niya. Okay ba to sa akin? Let's see. So, iba yung doe foot applicator niya. Yung parang flat on both sides. Gosh, nakakatakot. Parang okay. Hindi naman siya ganun ka-neon pala. Okay, this color can pass as an MLBB or my Lips But Better shade. Parang ang tingkad niya sa camera, but in person, parang natural lang yung color niya. So, natapos na natin gamitin yung Colourette New Normal Zoom Party Kit. Next is, ipapowder ko yung buong face ko para it will stay matte all throughout the meeting. Hindi yung pag lumapit ako, parang puti na lang yung ibang parts ng face ko because it's, alam mo na, shiny. I'll be using this na lang para no hassle. Shiseido Baby Pressed Powder. Baby powder lang siya. And i-blend ko muna yung kaninang nilagay ko na parang bake na yung sa vice ko na powder, pressed powder, or powder foundation. Noon ako lang yung lips ngayon pero usually, syempre, sa end talaga siya. And konti sa eyes para ma-set. And sa neck. Para mukha naman pantay on videos. I mean, yung color pantay. At dahil mukha naman tayong maputi, I will be adding contour. So, since parang medyo maputi yung face natin, walang dimension, I'll be using the Lustrous na Din X PYS bronzer and highlight palette. I'll be taking this shade, yung lighter contour powder, and just lightly contour my face. As in, lightly. Especially here. So there, I'm not really contoured but more of bronzed. The last thing, since hindi na ako nag-highlighter, I'll be curling my lashes and putting on mascara. Curling my lashes with this one, and then mascara is the Maybelline Hypercurl mascara that I'll always use. So there you go, my makeup is done. Hindi na ako nag-add ng highlighter just because ayoko nga nang para mukha akong shiny on camera. So, ayan, I just keep it parang fresh lang, very natural. And, ayan. Bakit ang pula ko talaga sa camera? Hindi ko alam bakit. Anyway, I'll show you what I do for my hair. It's actually parang 70 to 80% dry. Hindi ko siya kukulutin. Hindi ako mag-add ng any heat on my hair. Pero, ito lang yung ginagawa ko recently. I'm just going to brush it in, part it, kung saan ako usually nagpapart ng hair. And then, I'm going to take this part. Walang kwenta yung pagpapart ko ng hair. Kasi hindi ko inaayos yan ng bongga. Then, I think kailangan ko bumili para makita nyo. But, ayan, pinapart ko lang siya like how you normally trintas your hair. Pero hindi mo ilalet ko. So, ito, hahayaan mo lang na tangled itong part na to. So, once na parang masikip na siya, what you're going to do is itong part, itatap mo siya sa butas. And there, you don't need tali na. Ganyan na siya. So, that's it for our hair and makeup for my Zoom meetings. I don't usually put on blazer na, basta mukhang maayos naman yung top. Ito, t-shirt lang talaga siya, pero hindi siya mukhang t-shirt na pantulog or pambahay. So, that's okay na. And then, I have accessories. Minsan, nilalagay pa ako ng mas kita na earrings or mas malaki. Parang hope na pang professional naman at hindi mukhang hoop na, alam mo na. And then, may necklace na sa loob. Basta kita siya. Then, that is also my background for my Zoom meetings. And ayan, mukha na ba tayong professional? Mukha na ba maayos? Mukha na ba tayong kagalang-galang at ikinig pa sila sa atin? But ayan, that is my completed hair and makeup look for my Zoom meetings. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something or two. And if you did, hit the thumbs up button, comment down below kung nabubulyo na rin ba kayo kaka-Zoom meeting all day, every day, just like me. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do click the subscribe button down there. And while you're there, hit the notification bell para ma-notify kayo whenever I upload videos. And I will see you in the next one. Bye!